all want to age gracefully, but sometimes we need a little help. So if you have ever considered plastic surgery, now's the time to get some of your questions answered.
Dr. David Alfonso is one of the board-certified plastic surgeons at Plastic Surgery Associates. He's here today to talk about their facial surgery seminar.
So a lot of people have a lot of questions. You know, I kind of chuckle when I think about aging gracefully. I'm planning to fight it every step of the way. There are probably a lot of people like me out there.
We like you.
And
people like you.
Yes, exactly. And this seminar coming up is actually a great opportunity to get some of those questions answered for people.
Yeah, exactly. The seminar is a very informal, pleasant way for patients to come and see our office. It's held at our office facility. And we do a very brief educational talk discussing various types of surgeries. And this upcoming seminar is focusing on facial surgery, basically starting with everything from brow lifts down to eyelids and face and neck. And that way they get a very generalized overview about what options are out there for them. They can tour our surgical facility and see our operating rooms and answer questions with myself and my partners who will be there that evening.
Which is really great because you have such a great, beautiful location. You're in the Amway Grand Plaza Hotel.
Correct.
Valet parking. All you have to do is drive your car up and they will take your car. It's complimentary and it's right in your great offices.
Yeah, and it's really nice for patients to be able to have this seminar in our offices. Again, we do tours in the operating room. It really takes a lot of that edge, and some people naturally have some nervous feelings about surgery because, yeah, it is surgery, but after they meet us and they meet our wonderful staff of nurses and estheticians and then tour the operating room, they really, you know, you can see them really kind of warming up to this and feeling much more comfortable about perhaps pursuing some surgery for them.
Now, these are the more common types of surgeries, the eyebrows and the facial.
Yeah, I would say so. I think we've seen quite a shift in plastic surgery. A lot of people feel concerned about facial surgery, that they're going to look, quote, fake or pulled or artificial. But really the way that we rejuvenate patients now is much more natural. And I think when you look at patients like this before and after for a face and neck lift, really patients look like themselves. They don't look like someone different. They certainly are recognized, but they just look a little bit more youthful, so to speak, better shape to the lower face area. On this particular patient, lower eyelids, a lot of patients have concerns with puffiness or bags in the lower eyelids, and surgery can be quite effective at smoothing those out.
And you know, the techniques that you use now are really so much easier even for a patient in terms of the recovery, and the results are so dramatic.
Yeah, they really are. A lot of that deals with the anesthesia as well. There's been such great strides with anesthesia in terms of patients who are put to sleep for surgery. It's very light, and really the best thing about these surgeries are, compared to other types, they really wake up really pain-free. We use a lot of the local anesthetics during surgery, so when patients wake up, our anesthesiologists do a great job of keeping them very comfortable, minimal nausea, vomiting afterwards, and patients really feel great. In fact, most of my facelift patients take at most maybe one pain pill.
Wow.
It's pretty amazing.
Wow. And these patients, you're getting a lot of positive feedback. You sometimes see more than once at a time?
Yeah, we do. In terms of, you know, a lot of people, when patients come to the seminars, they come with a friend. Okay. And I think that helps them as well. It just sort of takes the edge off of them. It makes it feel a little bit more easy for them. And then when patients have surgery, they're always so happy, and then they tell friends, and that's kind of how you just build the practice that we've built there for 25 years of providing that service.
Well, and you know, you think about how we are living so much longer, and many people are working into their 60s and 70s, and you really want to be able to look as good as you feel, and these techniques really allow you to give that gift to your patients.
Exactly, and patients often say that when they see their photos that we take at the first consultation before, they look at the monitor and they always say, boy, I don't look like that, that's not me, and I just certainly don't feel that the way that I look in many cases. And so you're exactly right. Patients' age is not really a reason not to have surgery, it's really more your health status, and I've done surgery on patients in their 70s who are extremely healthy and recover beautifully, so
fantastic.
You're right.
That's right, you want to look as good as you feel.
Exactly.
Many years as possible. So we want to remind you about the big event coming up. It's next week, November 3rd. It's in the offices of Plastic Surgery Associates. Easy to find, the Amway Grand Plaza Hotel, Suite 700. Call to register, 616-451-4500. Or, of course, you can check them out online. Your website is amazing, psa-gr.com.
You know what they say, the the new 50, this is 40.
That's exactly right. And we do want to remind you about a great offer for all of the 8 West viewers. You have an opportunity to receive a complimentary cosmetic consultation only if you call their offices today to schedule that appointment. That's 616-451-4500. Dr. Alfonso, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
I've had the opportunity to attend several of your events. They're great. They're low-key. Your staff does just a great job of answering all those questions and really making people feel comfortable.
Good. That's what we're there for.
Absolutely. Thanks. We'll be right back.